Mole-to-mass conversions. Whenever you're presented with the moles of a substance and asked to find the moles of the substance or vice versa, you must use molar mass. Molar mass ratios. You can write molar mass as a ratio to use in a molar conversion. For example, by looking at the periodic table, I can tell that the molar mass of carbon is 12.011 grams per mole. It can be written the following ways: 12.011 grams divided by 1 mole, or I can put 1 mole on top and divide that by 12.011 grams. They are both the same equality, so you can actually just flip them. Steps for solving mole-to-mass conversions. The first step is always to balance the chemical equation if you're given one. Write down the information that you are given in the actual problem. You're going to always use molar mass to cancel what you want to get rid of and to actually keep what you're looking for. And I'll explain exactly how that works in a little bit. And you're going to multiply and divide, of course. So let's go ahead and look at an example. How many moles of carbon are in 26 grams of carbon? So there's no actual equation here, so I don't need to do any balancing. So my second step is to list what I'm given. I'm given that there's 26 grams of carbon. I know that I'm going from moles to mass, from mass to moles, so I'm going to be using molar mass. So I look at the periodic table and I know the molar mass of carbon is 12.01 grams per mole. You'll notice that I put mole on top and grams on the bottom. Because I'm starting with grams, I want grams to cancel and I want to be left with moles because that's what I'm looking for. So that's why I put the mole on the top so that my grams will cancel. And I just multiply and divide and I end up with 2.2 moles of carbon. Now, if you were given moles and asked to find grams, I could just switch this molar mass to put grams on top and moles on the bottom. Alright, well that's it for the mole-to-mass conversions. Please click on one of the other types of conversions to explore them further.